Fixing voicemail unavailable on iPhone after iOS 17 update. If you're facing issues with your voicemail, don't worry. We've got some quick fixes for you, so let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your voicemail settings are correct. Go ahead and open the phone app on your iPhone and tap on the voicemail tab at the bottom right corner. If your voicemail is unavailable, it might be a setting issue. Simply tap on greeting and make sure everything is set correctly. If you have a custom greeting, try switching back to the default greeting to see if that resolves the problem, like this, and click on save. Next, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This can help reset the network connection and resolve any temporary issues. To do this, simply swipe down from the top right corner, open the control center and then tap airplane mode. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it back again. Sometimes a simple restart can also help resolve issues like voicemail not working. Go ahead and restart your iPhone. If none of the steps work, you might need to check carrier settings. To do that, go to settings, tap on general, and go to about. If there is an update available for your carrier settings, a pop-up will appear. Simply tap update if prompted. If none of the previous steps work, the issue might be related to your carrier. Contact your carrier customer support to ensure your voicemail service is activated properly. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the voicemail unavailable issue on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17.